Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam initialization a failed message on Steam when you try to start up Steam or when you get stuck on the loading screen. Now, it's a very easy process. The first step that you want to take is by fully quitting Steam. Now we're first going to close down the window right here. Check if there's anything still running. Now we're going to the top right corner where we see the little hidden icon menu, and here we see the Steam. Now right click it and simply exit Steam. Now this will shut down Steam completely. Now this is very important. Now we're heading down to the search bar right here and type in Steam. Now here we see the Steam application. We right click it, open the file location, and inside the file location we right click it again and go down to the other file location, and here we see the main Steam folder. Now from here we go to the steam.exe and we open the property tab right here. Now inside the properties of Steam we go to the compatibility mode, as you can see right here, the menu, and we're going to run this compatibility mode in Windows 8. This is very important, and the other option that we're going to check in the settings tab is to run this program as an administrator. Simply apply this, press OK, and now you can start using Steam again as you usually would. Now, if you still get any other questions or if this tutorial has helped you, leave it in the comments down below, leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.